Narayan, myself Kumudini Nalaude, Atmi Green School, Standard 5th, subject Maths. We are revising the chapter, okay, area chapter. So, listen carefully, understand it because it is the last chapter of our PT3, right now. So, which are the chapters for PT3? Yes, can anyone tell me which are the chapter for PT3? So once again I will remind you, it's metric measures and temperature, then geometry and area and volume. Get it? So let's start. So I think we are on the seventh example. What is the area of rectangular garden whose length is 50 meter and breadth is 30.5 meter? If the garden cost of measuring the garden is rupees 6.50 per square meter, find the total cost of manuring the garden. Now see, the garden is in rectangular form. Okay, so area of rectangular garden is equal to length into breadth. So 50 multiplied by 30.5. Okay, so what will the answer? 1525. You have to multiply, don't use the calculator. Okay, so it is 1525 square meter. Okay, this is the area. Now we have to calculate the cost. Okay, the cost of marrying the garden is equal to total cost is equal to area multiplied by rate. So 1525 multiplied by 6.50. Okay, so if we multiply we get 9912.5 rupees. Get it? Now 8th question. A hall is paved with 1 square meter tiles. If the length and the breadth of the hall are 50 meter and 15 meter and 10 meter, how many tiles are needed? If each tile costs rupees 15.50, find the cost of tiling. Now see here, first of all we have to calculate area of tile, one tile. Okay, so area of one tile is equal to tile is in a square form, so it is equal to 1 into 1, that is 1 meter square. Get it? Now area of hall is equal to length into breadth. So what is the length of the hall? 15 multiplied by breadth 10. So 15 multiplied by 10, 150. Okay, so number of tiles is equal to area of hall divided by area of one tile. So 150 upon 1 we get 150. So number of tiles required is 150. Now cost of tiling. So how we will calculate the cost of tiling? We have to multiply number of tiles with the rate of tiles. So 150 multiplied by 15 upon 50 we get 2325. Okay, now let's see the 9th question. So it is nearly equal to 8th one. Okay, so that's why I will not explain because it is nearly equal to 8th one. Same here, 10th is also equal to 8th one. So I will start the new one, that is I think volume is there, no? Okay, fine. So we have completed the area topic, right? So the type there are in this story sum 3 or 4 types are question repeated, same types are there, so that's why I have taken each type of story sum. So let's start our new topic, that is volume. So first of all you have to remember the definition of volume. What is volume? The volume of an object is the amount of space it occupies. Say with me. The volume of an object is the amount of space it occupies. Get it? Now next. So here are two formulas for volume. Volume of cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height. Okay, and same volume of cube is equal to S into S into S. Okay, so see here. Exercise 8.4. So here we have given length, breadth and height. So what will be the volume? What will be the volume? We have to multiply length into breadth into height, that is 5 into 1 multiplied by 2, that is 10 centimeter cube. Get it? Same here, we have to first find out with the help of diagram length, breadth and height, and then we calculate the volume. Okay, so I will explain the V. So its length is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Breadth is 1 and height will be the 1. That is volume is equal to 5 into 1 into 1, that is 5 cubic centimeter. Get it? Now next. Here also you have to find out the volume with the help of this cube. You have not to take the length, breadth and height. So suppose we have talking about the second diagram. So is there any length? We can calculate this length and breadth, but what about the height? Because height is ranging here. So instead of taking LBH, we are calculating the volume of this figure with the help of cubes. Okay, so see here 1, 2, 3, 4 and back side 2, that is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so how I calculated here 2? Because they are opposite to it, 2 cubes. Okay, now we will see the exercise 8.5. Volume of an object is the amount of space it occupies. Then the formula is volume of a cuboid is equal to L into B into H. Volume of cube is equal to S into S into S. Okay. Now in exercise 8.5. So let's see exercise 8.5. Okay, volume of cuboid. A's first 3 questions we have solved in book. So see on page number 138. The volume of fourth figure, length is 20, breadth is 10 and height is 6. So it is equal to L into B into H, that is 20 into 10 into 6. So we get 1200 centimeter cube. Get it? And in same we have to calculate the volume 5th and 6th example, because both are cuboids. And remember one thing, unit should be in cube. Okay, centimeter cube, or we can say cubic centimeter, cubic meter, cubic kilometer or cubic millimeter. And area is always in square and volume is always in cube. Okay, so cube is represented either you can write CUBIC cubic, otherwise you have to write CM and just above the head, above this M you have to write 3, that is CM cube. Get it? If it is in meter, so you have to write here M and above it you have to write 3, such like this. Clear? Fine. We will see the B question. Same in the I think in the exercise 8.2 we have split up the diagram into rectangles, and here we have to split up the diagrams into cube or cuboid. Okay, in the B question, first see here I have split up into first and second cuboid. It is a cuboid. By mistake I have written here rectangle, please correct it, it is a cuboid. Okay, so volume of cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height. So what is the length? This is the length. So what is its length? See here, this